कॉल करू शकता. Oh, Raju, start.
Good evening. It's a pleasure to welcome you all to Cyber Cypher 4.0, the official hackathon of NMIMS. This event is a cornerstone of Technique 17.0, an annual tech fest, and it embodies the spirit of innovation and collaboration that we cherish at NMIMS. Over the next 18 hours, you will engage in intense problem solving, creative brainstorming, and collaborative coding to develop solutions that can make a real world impact. This hackathon is not just a competition, it's an opportunity to learn, network, and push the boundaries of what's possible. Before we dive into the activities planned, I would like to express our gratitude to the organizing team for their dedication and hard work in making this event possible. Their efforts ensure that we have a platform to showcase our talents and bring our ideas to life. Now it's my pleasure to introduce Rushabh, the chairperson of Technique 17.0, to share his insights and officially commence this hackathon.
Thank you, Rajveer. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Cyber Cypher 4.0. As the chairperson of Technique 17.0, I am thrilled to see such diverse group of participants ready to tackle challenges and innovate. Hackathons like these are where theoretical knowledge meets practical applications, and I'm confident that we'll witness some groundbreaking solutions emerging from this event. This year's theme focuses on Gen AI and EdTech, reflecting the pressing need and technology advancement of our time. I encourage you all to think creatively, work collaboratively, and consider the broader impact of these solutions. A special thanks to our judges who will be evaluating your projects. Their expertise and feedbacks will be invaluable as you refine your ideas. Now, it's my honor to introduce Renish, the president of Technique 17.0, who will share his perspective and further inspire us as we embark on this journey. Thank you.
Thank you, Rishabh. Good evening, everyone. As the president of Technique 17.0, it's my honor to address you at the commencement of Cyber Cypher 4.0. This hackathon represents the accumulation of months of planning and enthusiasm of the participants eager to make a difference in the world through technology. In today's rapidly evolving world, the ability to adapt and innovate is more crucial than ever. This event provides a platform for you to challenge yourselves, explore new ideas, and develop solutions that could have a lasting impact. Remember, the essence of a hackathon lies not in just in the final product, but in the journey as well. The brainstorming sessions, the late night coding, the collaborative problem solving. Embrace this experience fully and do not hesitate to seek guidance or feedback from the mentors and the peers. Over to you, Rajveer.
Thank you, Ramesh. Now I have the privilege of introducing our chief guest, Roshan Vadasiri. But before we do that, let me tell you who Roshan is. Roshan started coding at the age of 11, and at the age of 24, he leads a robust team of 30 employees at Permissionless, all working towards the same vision of building a public infrastructure for the new web and solving complex problems, leveraging the beautiful technology that is blockchain, where transparency and shared ownership are going to be the prominent variables in macro into consumerism. In a world where there is a constant debate on data encryption and data privacy, Roshan and his team are eliminating trust issues on a technical level and building an open source network. Permissionless is a decentralized autonomous organization built by people who have worked in the shadows of the blockchain industry and have finally come together to reduce the dependency on centralized entities as the first touch point for adopters of the new web. Recently, they launched async.network, a productivity ecosystem which aims to increase human productivity by creating better cooperating mechanisms using AI and blockchain. So as I've said before, he started coding at the age of 11. Which is finally. So Roshan is with us. So
Hi,
presenting to
hi,
you,
hi.
Roshan Vadasiri. Over to you. So
Yes. Thank you so much for everyone joining here. I am actually just out of somewhere, so I thought that I have to take this call, so I came in here immediately. I can see that everyone sitting outside. There's six people with us, right? Yeah. So we'll start with the. Uh, I think most of you have already given my introduction, right? So I don't talk about all of these things. Yes, Rajveer.
yeah. I've introduced you just before you entered the live
Okay.
stream. So it's streaming to a lot of people right now. In the meeting, there are not all of them, but it's
Okay.
being live streamed on YouTube.
Understood. Understood. So I'm Roshan Madashiri, and I am so glad that you have joined Cyber Cypher 4.0. It's going to be amazing because the entire team has worked very hard to figure out the problems to give you. And the judges I've seen have gone through all the UI UX judges and all the Gen AI judges as well. They are awesome. They're going to do crazy grading for you, and we'll have a. Looking forward to see all the products that you make. So, without wasting your time, I'll get on to the problem statements that you have. So we'll start with the elementary first. Elementary is actually going to be comparatively simpler. You have to build something in edtech. So the problem statement is simple. There is someone called as Chris. He's a 19-year-old student who has ADHD. He loves learning, but he struggles to learn with the current system that we have because focus is not maintained and stuff like that. So what you have to basically create is a platform where Chris feels personalized towards the whole learning environment, that he's able to understand and maintain his focus because he has ADHD. Remember this thing. ADHD people find it very difficult to focus on something for a long time. So you have to figure out a platform, gamify as much as you can. This is an elementary level problem. Okay. So what you will do is you will create an entire system that how neurodivergent students like Chris experience learning. The focus is on crafting an intuitive UI and user interfaces that embraces personalization and inclusivity. So the good way to go about this is that one, if you could build the platform in a way that automatically adapts to how Chris is learning, slowly understand its pace. A very great example would be Duolingo. Uh, do you want me to go through the entire thing? The uh, like these things. I'll give you a gist. Okay. So feel free to explore any direction that resonates with your team, such as adaptive pacing, content delivery, or engagement strategies. Again, like I said, gamification, visual cues, and calming features to enhance focus. Try to include some music if possible. The elementary elementary, this is for you to work on great UI UX. So the user experience is very important. Then you have accessibility features like that make learning easier and more comfortable. Tools for teachers or parents to better support neurodivergent learners. If you could implement a way that when Chris is learning, then how can his parents know where he has reached and things like that. If you could include that, that would be great. So this is our elementary problem. Now let's get to the advanced round. This is the domain is Gen AI. So you have to build something using either OpenAI APIs or you could use any of the available Gemini APIs, anything like that. So what we are going to build is a platform. So we'll start with like the person. This is for Alex. So this Alex is a software engineer and he basically wants to get into entrepreneurship. So when a person gets into entrepreneurship, he finds it extremely difficult to navigate business problems because we come from, let's say, somebody from software engineering background. He doesn't know how tax codes work, how a country's legal systems are, so many things, how to develop a market plan, business plan, things like that. What you have to build is a startup assistant for Alex so that he has full guidance during his entrepreneurial journey, right? So I'll define the exact challenge for you. Challenge: create an AI powered solution that helps solo founders like Alex transform their entrepreneurial dreams into reality. Your solution should leverage artificial intelligence to support founders in ways you think would be the most impactful for the journey. So consider challenges like validation of the business ideas, provision of strategic advice on company building and growth. Biggest challenges solo founders face, if you could like become like a great companion, the AI, if you could personalize it, that slowly it learns Alex's shortcomings and then tries to tell him, okay, Alex, last time you had asked about this thing, have you done this thing? If you could build something proactive, then one of the most important part, if you could help him with fundraising preparation and investor connections, in a way that helping him like understand what kind of elevator pitches he can give, these kind of things. So what we're trying to do is, how can AI make entrepreneurial journey less daunting? What unique perspectives or approaches could make your solution stand out? And feel free to focus on any aspect of the startup journey that resonates with your team, from like ideation to scaling. So your whole idea is to scale Alex in a way that he does not require a lot of people. A lot of his business challenges are solved by AI itself. These are the two domains that you have. One is the elementary level, which what you have to build. You have to build a learning platform for ADHD, neurodivergent students. Second, you have to build a platform for startup enthusiasts to go from like idea to final this thing. So you'll build a startup assistant. I hope it is clear. Yeah. Yes.
Yes, it's clear.
Thank you for having me here. I will be going through your submissions with Rishabh, Rajveer, and everyone. I will see who is this, and I will love to like feature you on my page as well if it is really good. So looking forward to see you all build crazy things. Okay, stay permissionless.
Thank you so much, Mr. Roshan, for your inspiring words and for revealing the problem statements to the contestants. As we embark on this hackathon, remember that the journey is as important as the destination. Embrace the challenges, collaborate with your peers, and most importantly, as Mr. Roshan said, enjoy the experience. First, so now the problem statements are also live on Cyber Cypher 4.0's official website, the link of which is shared in the chat and on all of our social accounts. Now the participants can switch to Discord and join the respective team's channel and start working as your time has officially begun. So best wishes to all the participants. Thank you so much, Mr. Roshan, for revealing the problem statements and coming here, being with us, and for your inspiring words. Let's make Cyber Cypher 4.0 a remarkable success. Thank you so much, everyone.